I just had to let you know the way that dress fall off you is amazing. You're a miracle, a beautiful creation. Baby, come